In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Traveljoy. If you're a travel advisor or part of a travel team, this walkthrough will show you how to turn inquiries into bookings faster with less back and forth and a more polished client experience from proposal to payment. Let's begin with creating a professional first impression. Traveljoy equips you with branded, beautifully designed digital proposals that present clear pricing and detailed itineraries. Everything is organized and easy for clients to digest, which signals quality and competence the moment they open it. Because e-signatures and payments are built in, clients can commit right inside the proposal, reducing friction. Keep your branding consistent, use high-quality images, and make your pricing transparent. That combination builds trust and typically boosts close rates. Next, speed up your sales process with automation. Instead of manually sending every email, Traveljoy can automatically deliver proposals, nudge clients with timely reminders, request deposits or balances, and follow up after booking. This means the routine logistics run in the background while you focus on selling and advising. Set clear timelines and message templates so your automations sound personal and arrive exactly when clients need them. Now simplify the client experience to increase conversions. Clients can view proposals on any device, compare options side by side, sign documents online, and pay deposits or the full balance without leaving the proposal. That streamlined path helps clients make decisions faster, prevents details from getting lost in email threads, and encourages repeat business because the process feels effortless. Keep proposal sections concise and highlight the most important choices to reduce decision fatigue. Then, automate your workflow to save hours every week. Use automated reminders to keep milestones on track, client portals to centralize communication, booking pipelines to visualize progress, templates to standardize proposals, and CRM basics to track interactions. What once took hours can take minutes when these pieces are connected. Start with 1 or 2 automations, validate the timing and wording, and expand from there. Let's talk payments. Traveljoy supports online payments, deposits, payment plans, auto invoicing, and quick pay buttons. With everything flowing through one platform, you'll spend less time chasing invoices and more time crafting great trips. Configure deposit rules, due dates, and reminders so cash flow stays predictable. Traveljoy also looks great on mobile, which is crucial because many clients book on their phones. Proposals are optimized for small screens, improving response and booking rates. Use clear headings, short paragraphs, and crisp visuals to keep mobile reading effortless. Finally, centralize your client records. Instead of juggling emails, files, and spreadsheets, you can track client status, store documents, see payment history, and review notes and communication in one place. Less scattered information means less stress and faster service.